that matrix P is equals to 1 iota minus 1. This is a symmetric matrix and we have to check which one options is true. Option A is saying P has two linearly independent eigenvectors. Option B has n eigenvector. Option D, P is non-singular. To check option C, it is very easy because of we have to known matrix P entirely. So we can find determinant of this matrix, and determinant is equals to minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. It means that P is not non-singular, means singular. So this option is false. Now come to the other another options. As determinant is 0, it means that one eigenvalue of matrix P is 0. Other may be something, but one eigenvalue is 0. It means that we can find eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue 0. So we have to solve this system P minus lambda I x equals to 0. After simplify this equation, put lambda equals to 0, then we have 1 iota minus 1, and you can consider x as x1 x2 equals to 0. Further simplify, we have 1 iota and multiply second row by iota, that one minus 1, that one give you minus 1, and this one is minus iota x1 x2 equals to 0, and finally we have x1 plus iota x2 equals to 0. It means that x2 is a free variable and x1 is a basic variable. X1 can be written as minus iota times x2. So if you put or assign any value of x2, suppose t, we have assigned value, then value of x1 is minus iota times t, and this one value can be written as t as a common minus iota and 1. So this is, you can consider a linearly independent vector. So P has an eigenvector. Option B is true, and option A is false because of two word is used in this option. P has two linearly independent. Now come to the option D. As you can find easily eigenvalue or all eigenvalues of this matrix P as 1 minus 1 iota iota, this matrix P, and we have to find eigenvalue of this one, means P minus lambda I, determinant of this matrix should be 0. On further simplify, we have 1 minus lambda and minus 1 minus lambda, and this one is iota, determinant of this one is equals to 1 minus lambda, or you can take a minus outside, and this one 1 plus lambda, minus of minus minus turns to positive. Finally we have lambda equals to 0 0, means repeated eigenvalue and both are 0, and determinant is also saying that one eigenvalue is 0. It means that there is no matrix S such that S inverse PS is a diagonal matrix, because of if this matrix exists, then diagonal matrix D contain eigenvalue of P at diagonal position, but diagonal eigenvalues of P are 0 0. So there is no diagonal matrix, only 0 matrix we can find in this way. So option D is false. So correct option is option B.